Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, can you tell me what is the date today? Today is 18 September 2020. Okay, today is 18 September 2020. And which day? Yes, today is Friday. Today is Friday. So children, from now onwards, you are going to ask your mommy and papa what is the date today and day and date both. Is it clear? From today onwards, you are going to ask your mommy, papa, mama, please tell me what is the date and which day. Is it clear? So you should learn this date and day. Now children, we are going to begin our studies for English. Are you ready? Okay. The letter which we are going to learn today is G. G, G. Children, you have already learned capital G, right? So today we are going to learn small g. Let's see how to write this. We will make a C, then we will make one standing line, come down and turn. This is small g. G. What is the sound of G? G. G. Children, repeat after me, please. G. G. See again. First we will make a C, small c. This to all you know how to make. Then from this C we will make one standing line, come down and turn. That's it. This is small g. Now children, I am going to tell you how to write in a paper. You will get these boxes. Yes? You get these squares now and dots will be there. So how you have to write? From the dot, you will make one small c. ऐसे C बनाएंगे. Then from the dot we will make one standing line, come down, touch and turn. See, we don't have to touch this top line. We have to touch only the bottom line. ऊपर वाली line touch नहीं करनी है, बस नीचे वाली line touch करनी है. Is it clear? Let's see again. Small c from the dot. Then from the dot make one standing line, come down, touch the bottom line and turn. Okay, let's see again. From the dot we will make C. Then again we will keep pencil on the dot, make one standing line, come down and touch the bottom line and turn. This is small g. 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 Please remember the sounds of all the letters. That will be very helpful for you. Okay. Then again keep pencil on the dot, make small c. Pencil on the dot again, make one standing line and turn. So children, have you understood how to make G? Very good. Now let's revise few pictures or related to G. Now you are going to tell me, okay, few objects of G. First is grapes. Right? Grapes. Then gun. Then glass. Then what else? Garden. Right? Garden. So children, I hope you all have learned these things. Ma'am has already taught you. Pictures related to G, right? Now children, in today's worksheet, you are going to get this, okay, in this you are going to get dotted G. In 3 lines, ma'am has written G in dots. So what you have to do? Yes, correct. You have to keep pencil on the dot and you have to trace this G. You have to keep pencil on the dot and you have to trace this G. Then afterwards only one dot will be there. Then what you have to do? You have to write G. You will keep pencil on the dot, small c, then make standing line, come down and turn. From the dot make small c, standing line, come down and turn. Okay. So in first part of the worksheet you are going to write G. Then there are 2 more exercises in the worksheet. Which are those exercises? That is write the first letter. What you have to do is write the first letter. In this, ma'am has drawn few pictures. Okay. And in that picture, you are going to tell me it starts with which letter. Like, I have drawn this and I have made a box here. Okay. Then I have made this and a box is there. Then another picture is there. Then duck is there and box is it. Egg is there and box. Then flower is there, box, and last is grapes and box. So children, in these boxes you are going to write the first letter. Let's start. What is this? Yes, apple. We will say with sound. We will not say like this, apple. We will say with sound. Apple. 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 So apple starts with A. Remember children, you have to write small letters, not capital. Okay? First, you are going to write small letters. This is A. Apple. Okay? Then is ball. Ball. Remember? Ball. So children, what you have to write? Ball. Okay? So how you will write this? First we will make one standing line and big tummy. This is small b. Right? Then cup. Can you see this? Cup. It starts with C. Yes, we will make small c. Absolutely correct. Then duck. Duck. Remember? Duck. So we will write small d. What is the sound of D? Duh. So it starts with duh. Duck. Okay? We will write like this. Then egg. Which letter is this? Egg. So which letter I will write here? Is sound of which letter? Yes, E. We will write E. Small e. Okay? Now, for flower. For flower. Which letter will come here? F is the sound of F. So we will write small f. Children, I hope you all have practiced how to write all these letters. Are you doing practice of writing? Please keep on practicing because this is very important. Then grapes. Grapes. small c, standing line and turn. So have you understood how to write all these things? And remember, you have to write small letters, not capital. Is it clear? Small letters. Then after writing, you will color these pictures. Sorry, you don't have to draw, you have to color these pictures. Is it clear, children? After writing, you will color these pictures. Then comes the last exercise, that is draw and color. I have given letters now and you have to draw pictures. Last exercise is draw and color. Draw and color. In this you have to draw pictures and you have to write. First is A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Okay, now tell me the pictures. Aeroplane. Yes, we will draw aeroplane. First you will draw oval, then this and small windows. This is aeroplane. Then what we will draw with B? Baba, ball. Let's draw ball. Simple ball. Okay. Baba, B. Then kaka, cap. We will draw cap. First we will make semicircle, then make two lines like this and this. Kaka, cap. Da. Let's draw duck. First we will make two, then we will join and we will make beak, eyes and wings. This is da, duck. Egg. Simple oval shape. Flower. We will draw a beautiful flower. Okay. Then gaga, grapes. We will draw gaga, grapes. Is it easy? You are going to draw yourself. अपने आप करना है work and worksheet should be very neat. Okay children, whatever you write neatly. Worksheet should look very beautiful and it should be neat. Okay, so children, you are going to color these pictures also. All these pictures you are going to color and please complete your work by yourself. Okay, then take care, keep practicing and listen to your elders. Bye bye children.